This is my 40th year making wine. You can see a stripe for every year. This was 1974 at Montevina, 1975 in Germany, 1978 in Story Winery, and then 1979 at Santino, which I later turned into Renwood. But I'm still doing it, and I'm loving it. It's a wonderful business. So you get to work with your hands and be creative, and you're doing something that people like. You know, it's nice to, people like what you do. So it's a very positive feedback thing to be having made wine for 40 years now, and I'd love to keep going as long as I can.